Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an apron. As we know, apron is very much essential in kitchen, so I thought of showing this. It requires a single piece of cotton fabric. We can use the old cloth as well and recycle the old clothes. I have taken the fabric with the length 29 inches and width 20 inches. You can increase the measurement by 1 or 2 inches if you require. We want 3 more fabric pieces, one for the shoulder strap and 2 pieces to tie. The length of the fabric pieces which we use to tie is 20 inches and 2 inches widthwise. And for the shoulder strap, the length should be 25 inch and the width should be 2 inches. For the shoulder strap, this measurement will be standard and there is no need to increase the length. For the tie strap, you can increase the length. First, we need to fold the main fabric so that we get a center point. Measure 5 inches from the center point and mark it. Now measure 9 inches from top to bottom in the open side and mark the measured point. Join the 2 points with the help of pen. If you have a French curve, you can use it. It will give a neat curve. Now cut the marked curve with the help of scissor. After cutting the apron, I got 2 small pieces of fabric which I'll use it later to make a beautiful thing. I have unfolded the fabric. Now we need to stitch all the sides. Fold the sides 2 times before stitching. It will give a neat finish to the apron. Double fold the strap and stitch it. This should be done for all the 3 pieces. I have stitched the body part and 3 straps. Now we need to attach the straps to the body part. Shoulder strap to be attached at the top and the tie straps should be attached to the sides. I have attached the straps to the main body and here our apron is ready. It is so simple and I hope you will make your own apron. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.